Hanson has developed a range of low-carbon concretes called EcoCrete. EcoCrete contains GGBS, or ground granulated blast furnace slag, a byproduct of iron making, which replaces some of the cement content in the concrete. Using GGBS reduces the embodied CO2 in a concrete mix by around 780 kilograms for every ton of CEM1 Portland cement it replaces. There are 3 products in the EcoCrete range: EcoCrete, EcoCrete Extra, and EcoCrete Elite that reduce the CO2 emissions associated with standard CEM1 concrete by up to 85%.
EcoCrete can be used anywhere that a traditional CEM1 concrete would be used. In combination with cutting-edge admixture technologies, we are able to maximise the replacement of CEM1. We can significantly reduce the amount of CO2 in a metre cubed, whilst maintaining the setting and placement requirements that our contractors need. And we work with our customers to provide advice and technical knowledge to supply the perfect material to meet a project's individual requirements.
One of our customers, Northern Steel Decking, used EcoCrete as part of the Buchanan Wharf project in Glasgow, in which the Scottish Government wanted to explore opportunities for a low-carbon solution.
Northern Steel Decking works in the construction industry, and we as a manufacturer of metal decking supply and install metal flooring onto multi-floor construction sites, steel-framed buildings. We were asked by our client about a job in Glasgow called Buchanan Wharf. We were asked if we could look into a low carbon option for the concrete. So we approached Hanson to see what we could offer our client, and they told us about their new EcoCrete range, which is something that both Northern Steel Decking and our client were very interested in. We have been advised by Hanson that the overall carbon reduction is in the range of 67–68%, which is a substantial reduction in the concrete. Our client on this particular job is being asked by the Scottish Government if they can look at ways to reduce the carbon footprint of the job. What's important to us in the concrete setting is that it doesn't go off too fast or too slowly. And because it's important for, if it goes off too fast, you can have issues with cracking. If it goes off too slow, then we can hold back programme for the machines to get on the slab to do the next structural steel lift. So we've got to follow a recognised time. The problem that we had historically was that the additives weren't good enough until we came across this new product that Hanson are doing, which has gave us more confidence. On the Buchanan Wharf job, was roughly a 10,000 square metre decking job, and that equates to about 950 cube of concrete, which that's a lot of concrete. It is critical for our business that we have a reliable supply chain. We can't operate unless we have got absolute assurance that we are going to get the service that we need when we're doing a pour. Hanson gives us that assurance. We're happy with the service that we get from Hanson. Not just when things are going right, but when things, as they can do, when they go wrong, that they're very quick to help out. The performance that they had on the Buchanan Wharf in particular was first class.
The benefits of EcoCrete are quite clear, as well as reducing the carbon emissions associated with concrete from 30% to up to 85%. It's easy to use and place. It can be used in all applications, including reinforced and unreinforced construction. It has an unchanged construction process, complies with guidance and specifications, as well as creating a lighter, more aesthetically pleasing colour. It's 100% recyclable and available nationwide from our network of static and mobile ready-mixed concrete plants.
Our ambition is to reduce our carbon footprint. We've been asked that by our main contractors, by our clients, what and how we're measuring our carbon footprint. So it's important. We can't just ignore it, but it's something we've got to do, and we're already underway with that. We're looking at all the different ways we can reduce our carbon footprint by things like electric vehicles, but we've also got a specialist that's looking at how we can go further. So we are already underway in that journey, and one of our key things is our supply chain. So reducing our concrete carbon footprint is fundamental to that. The benefits of using EcoCrete concrete for me is twofold. One is for the obvious carbon reduction, which, as we've already said, is massive. And for our clients, that is very much uppermost in their thinking now. And secondly, from Northern Steel Decking's point of view, if we can offer this new innovative product, it's a good sales tool for us. It gives us a bit of an edge, and it also gives the clients something else that they can brag about.